The world of filmmaking is changing fast right now. Sony is getting ready to make a huge move. They have quietly registered a brand new camera with the Chinese certification authorities. The code name starts with ILME. For people who know Sony, this is a massive deal. This specific code is only used for Sony's official cinema line. This means one very clear thing. The highly anticipated Sony FX3 Mark II is no longer just a rumor. It is real and it is coming. But this launch is not going to be simple. The year 2026 is a very complicated time for camera companies. Sony cannot just build a slightly better camera and call it a day. They have to launch this new camera while their entire product lineup is in a state of total chaos. Sony is currently fighting a massive war on 3 different fronts at the same time. The most dangerous part of this war is actually happening inside their own company. Sony has to balance its new releases perfectly. If they make one wrong move, they could ruin the sales of their other successful cameras. Every single morning, the product managers at Sony wake up to an incredibly stressful situation. They are facing immense pressure from their biggest rivals. In the past, the original Sony FX3 ruled the compact cinema market completely. It was the undisputed king for solo filmmakers and content creators. But those peaceful days are gone. The competition has finally caught up, and they are hungry for Sony's crown. Let's take a close look at the current battlefield. Canon has stepped into the compact cinema space with incredible force. They have released the EOS C50, which is a direct attack on Sony. This camera offers genuine cinema-grade features at the exact same price point as the FX3. Canon has included tools and features that Sony users have been begging for over the last few years. At the same time, Nikon is becoming a major player. People are talking about the Nikon Z8 in the exact same sentences where they used to only mention the FX3. These are not small, minor competitors anymore. These are powerful, legitimate alternatives. Real filmmakers are actually packing up their Sony gear and switching sides. Sony is losing its grip on the market, and they need a massive response to win people back. But the external competition is only half of the problem. The internal situation at Sony is even more chaotic. Rumors show that Sony is building 3 major cameras around the exact same next-generation sensor platform. These cameras are the FX3 Mark II, the long-awaited A7S Mark IV, and a brand-new high-end ZV series camera. From a business perspective, this is a very smart strategy. It allows Sony to share its massive research and development costs across multiple product lines. It helps them move faster before Canon or Nikon can react. However, this strategy creates a massive headache for the product designers. They have to be incredibly careful about how much power they give to each individual camera body. This creates a massive dilemma for Sony. If they give the FX3 Mark II